Hello and welcome to Martin Maths, doing some algebra for Maths Foundation GCSE. We have 11c minus 8d plus 5c minus d. So this is collecting like terms. We're told to simplify it. So whenever we see the same letter, we're going to collect those together. So 11c plus 5c will be 16c, minus 8d minus d will be minus 9d. Make sure you keep the sign that's attached to that letter. 11c plus 5c, 16c, minus 8d, minus another d is minus 9d. It's 2 marks. You've got to get both of those letters right. So I'm going to skip a couple of questions and get to the next algebra question here, which is a substitution question. So the last algebra question had the skill of collecting like terms. Now it's substitution. Work out the value of L when m is 3, so 9 times 3, and n is minus 6, so 9m plus 2n now becomes 9 times 3 plus 2 times minus 6. 9 times 3, if you know your times tables, it's a non-calculator paper, or we can just keep adding. 9 and 9 and 9, it'll be 27. Now here, 2 times 6 is 12, but the sign becomes minus. So 27 minus 12 is going to be 15. Okay, so we can check that again. 3 times 9 is 27, minus 6 times 2 is minus 12. I could even check that on column subtraction. It is 15. Okay, that's 2 marks there. Right, that's Martin Maths. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.